guys, Coop here. I've had quite a few people asking me to do the snake knot lanyard with buckles so they can make a bracelet out of it. And I decided to go ahead and do that. It's basically just like making the lanyard that I make, except you're attaching buckles. And as you can see, I've already joined my paracord together. I did just put a cinch knot down on my first buckle. I ran it up to my top buckle, ran it behind and out through the top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start on the left side. We got both sides. We're going to take the blue, going to curl it back around on itself. Just like that. We're going to take the orange, we're going to take it down through the blue hole there. See, guys? Now we're going to take the orange underneath everything, back around to the other side, then take the bottom of it, stick it through the hole again. Now we got to try and tighten all this up. And there we go. And there it is. And now we're going to take the orange back around again. We're going to pull a little slack on the blue. And I usually keep my finger on that so it doesn't loosen up on everything. Put your orange down through it. Pull it on through. Now make sure when you do this that when you come back the second time your orange is on the bottom of your first orange. Then pull your blue back down tight. And that's how it should look so far. Now I'm going to take this blue, I'm going to pull it around, all the way around, back on the back side of it. Now we're going to start with the knotting. We're going to take this blue, wrap it around again, pull the bottom orange one out just enough to get that blue through there. Pull it on through. Now just before you get to the blue tighten down, tighten your orange back up, then tighten down your blue, and just work them back and forth. Now your knots are going to look kind of funky at first, but it's going to work itself out. So now we're going to go with the orange. We're going to bring it around, get your end, pull the blue out a little bit, put your orange through it. Now just as you get it down, don't tighten the orange up yet. Go ahead and pull your blue down. Now we're starting to form something. Now we're going to take the blue, wrap it over the orange, back around, and pull your orange out. Just like so, guys. And put your blue down through it. Now before you tighten your blue down, tighten your orange back up, then tighten your blue. Like I said, it's going to look a little funky at first, but as you continue down, everything will start taking shape. Now you pull the orange around, pull out some blue, put your orange down through it. Pull your blue tight, pull your orange tight. Now we'll go around with the blue. Grab the end. Pull the orange out a little bit. Stick the blue down through. Tighten up your orange, tighten down your blue. This is one of those knots, guys, I don't particularly care to make. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but in the long run, it's a really nice knot. It's just a bit of a pain in the butt. Because you got to continuously keep working with it to make it look right. And now we go back across the top, round everything with the blue. Pull out some orange, just enough to get your blue through there. Close your orange off, close your blue off. As you can see, it's starting to take shape. Now we go around with the orange, pull out some blue. Alright guys, I'll do a couple more knots with you and then I'll pause and come back and show you how to end it up. Take the blue over the top, around the back side, grab your end. Pull out a little bit of orange, put your blue down through the orange. Tighten your orange up, tighten your blue up. Just constantly working that knot, keeping it tight, guys. Now we take the orange around, pull a little bit of the blue out, stick it down through the blue. Tighten your blue down, tighten your orange up. As you can see, she's starting to take shape there, guys. Alright, well, I think you guys have got the hang of it. I'll go ahead and pick back up with you here in a few minutes at the end of it. Hey guys, back at you. Now, once you get down to this point, I want to remind everybody, while you're making this, you've got that spliced end inside here. And before you get to that spliced end, you want to continuously keep pushing this snake knot up. That way it keeps it nice and tight. Now once you get past that spliced end, there's not going to be any more pushing it up. So if it's loose in here, it's just going to be loose. So you're going to have to keep pushing it up till you get past that slack end. Once you get past that spliced end, there's no way of tightening it up unless you take it apart up until that point. And the pushing it up keeps it really nice and tight. Alright guys, I got just a couple more wraps here and then we'll show you how to finish this thing off. Took my blue over the top, under, around the back side, through the orange. Pull my orange down tight, pull my blue down tight. Now, see how I've got two here and one here? I want to try and make one more wrap with the orange. That way it'll look even. You won't have two blue there. And this should be just where I need it. Tighten the blue, tighten the orange, tighten the blue. And there you go, guys. That's how you you tie it. Now this one here, I like to take my stuff and take it around and tuck it, but on this snake weave, you can't do that. You're going to have to cut it and singe it here. So we'll go ahead and take it off the jig. We'll take our scissors, get as close to the edge as I can. Same way on the other side. And then take your lighter, and remember to stay in your blue flame, guys. Stay in the blue part. If you stay in the blue part, it won't blacken on you. Okay, that one's done. Kind of push it a little bit. Now we'll do the blue side. And there you go, guys. Oh, sorry about that. Bumped my head on the camera. And there you go, guys. There's your snake knot bracelet. Now, I suggest, if you can, spend a little bit of time trying to take your fingers and just mash it down, because this, as you guys can see, is a really thick bracelet. And when you join it, that's what she looks like. See how she fits? And that's how she fits, guys. She's a little loose on me. I made this a little big. When making this bracelet, I suggest you use the rule of thumb of the King Cobra. So it'll be 1 inch per foot. And when you go to size it on your jig, say for instance somebody has an 8-inch wrist, you want to make it 8 3/4 to fit the wrist. Me, I go a full inch, but anyway, guys, there's the snake knot with buckles. Alright, guys, you guys want to put your comments and questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer anything you post. I appreciate your time. Appreciate you watching my videos. Means a lot to me. You guys all know we've got the Facebook page up and going. Link for that will be down below. Go over and check it out. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you don't, you just wasted a couple minutes of your time. With all that being said, my friends, old Coop's going to say, Coop out.